Okay, here's another extension. Now, as this cake is slowly eaten, it doesn't look slowly eaten, it looks the same. So this is going to take a bit of time, but what we're going to do is, now, you can have any image you like. It doesn't just have to be the cake, but we're going to have it so it looks, as it gets down, in at least quarters, to being gradually eaten. And the way we're going to do that is you're going to need to take that image, or whichever image you like, and you're going to have to modify it and turn it into a set of images. So there's going to be full cake, then cake with a bite taken out of it, and so on and so forth till we get to some crumbs. Now the more of these you do, the more realistic it looks. So how we do that? Well, we created cake is now, when we chose it and we chose that image, it put a copy of that image inside our Greenfoot folder. So I'm going to open that Greenfoot folder. That was in my own drive. And Greenfoot demo. Inside Ant. Images, and there is, that's the muffin. Okay, so I'm going to make a copy of that, paste, and I'm going to rename it. So I'm going to call this muffin maybe, let's say if it's less than 80, so muffin 80. Once I've done that, I now need to edit the muffin, and you can edit with any package you like. This case, it's just going to be paint, and I'm going to very, very carefully take a little bit of this muffin. Maybe the cherry goes at the first part, and the icing. There we go. I'm going to leave that same gap there. That's actually quite important, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to repeat the process time and time again. So I close that down. Now I copy that, I paste it, I rename that, this case maybe 60, and now I edit it, and again now I'm going to just take a little chunk out of my muffin. I'm going to zoom as well just so I can see it a bit more clearly. There we go. Now we can see the muffin and save, and so on and so forth, and then close down until you have a set of these muffins or whichever image you like gradually disappearing, and that has to be in the image folder of your ant. Okay, away you go.